Hi Dhruva,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. You, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm fine, Dhruva. First of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it's just a feedback from your side. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so your introduction.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Dhruva Kumar, and I'm basically from Davangere district. I did my schooling and pre-university in Harrier, ma'am, and I did my engineering in SDM Institute of Technology, Ujjira, ma'am.
Okay, then how did you get to know CMTI?
Ma'am, I got to know from one of my friend, ma'am.
Okay, so what and all you learned in CMTI, the syllabus, and what were the new subjects you learned?
Ma'am, in engineering, we used to only depend on only book, ma'am. In the CMTI, we got to know about more about practical knowledge, how the world is, and how the in practical how the things are going. We learned about this more, and some we learned more about the drawings sequence of how the construction works are going on and all, ma'am.
Okay, then what and all the softwares you learned in CMTI, Dhruva?
Ma'am, we learned the softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, Primavera, MS Excel, and all.
Okay. Then, how was the trainer's approach during the courses and like how was their approach?
Ma'am, it was very good, ma'am, because they were too interactive towards the students and friendly nature was there between us. And if any doubts were there, they used to clear at n number of times, ma'am. They were too supportive for our career and future, ma'am.
Okay. Then, how was your interview process, Dhruva? How did you crack the interview?
Interview was about one round, ma'am, face-to-face interview, and some introductions, project works, and some technical questions were asked, ma'am, and some uh, positive attitude like that. They asked, ma'am.
Okay.
What, ma'am?
The basic knowledge which is needed for your role.
Basic knowledge.
Yeah.
What,
Okay.
ma'am?
Okay, fine. Then, how was your site visits and all?
Site visits was good, ma'am. We went to many sites like constructions and interior both, ma'am. In We went to Homeland in for interior, ma'am. There we saw many uh, structures and all, ma'am. This interior works and all, and for constructions, we went to many sites, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app is very good, ma'am, because if we miss any classes or anything, we can watch there and learn new things. And code books were also available there. Mock tests were available, so that we can test our knowledge by attending the mock test and all, ma'am.
Okay. Then, how was your experience in CMTI, Dhruva? What did you gain?
Ma'am, in CMTI we learned many things, ma'am, because in engineering we doesn't knew so much things here. After came here, we learned many things of more about practical knowledge, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Then what about CMTI staffs? How was their coordination, the entire process?
Staffs were too supportive, ma'am, because anything problems were happening, they used to solve, and they supported in a well way, ma'am.
Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Dhruva?
Ma'am, the institute is very good to gain more knowledge which you doesn't knew, so that from joining here I will get more knowledge and get placed in a good companies, and future will be good, ma'am.
Yeah. Thanks for your feedback, Dhruva.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congrats for your placements. Thank you, Dhruva.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.